Hello everyone, and welcome to day 2 of our 7-day yoga challenge, heart and hips. So we're gonna open our heart and our hips to allow ourselves to love and be loved, but also to hopefully feel healthy through areas of our body we hold a lot of tightness, which is our hips and our front body. So as we flow today, have some fun. You'll notice we get a little bit juicy, and let's practice. All right, from seated, I want you to come onto your knees. Allow them to separate and then extend both of your arms forward for me. Exhale your forehead down into the earth and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale in, exhale out, inhale in, and then exhale out. Inhale, we're gonna come up to tabletop, hands and knees, where we're gonna wag our tail from side to side. And then inhale, open your heart forward, finding your cow pose, shifting a little front and back. And then exhale, tuck your chin, look at your belly button, roll your spine, and then find all of this space in your back and your neck. One more time, inhale, find your cow, lift your heart. Exhale, find your cat and lift your hips. Come up onto your fingertips to find it, and then really pull up and down. Good, and then exhale, relax that. From here, walk your hands forward a little bit more, pull your hips back, and then start some circles, massaging your pelvis down and around. One more time to the left. And then we're gonna go the opposite direction. Just gonna take your hips from the right, forward and around. And then one more time, take them forward and take them around. Exhale, bring it all the way back to child's pose. And then inhale as you come forward. Exhale to your down dog. Press your tailbone back. Inhale, come forward to plank. Exhale, stay on the top of your toes. Just drop your pelvis. If this hurts your back, then stay higher or untuck your toes. Exhale, pull it back. One more time. Inhale, plank. Exhale, drop the pelvis, pull the heart forward. And then back through to your downward facing dog. Step your right foot to the outside of your right hand. So you have a nice wide stance here. And then inhale, peel your heart up. So lift your chest. Take a full inhale through your nose, exhale it out. Place your right hand on your right thigh bone. Keep your toes forward. Inhale, raise your left arm way up into the sky. Exhale, slowly bring it down. Release the right hand down, pull the chest forward for me. Take another full breath in. Exhale, we're gonna slowly just pivot around on our mat so that our hands land on the inside of our left foot. Drop the right knee down. Inhale, pull your heart forward and up. Place your left hand on your left thigh. Inhale, reach high to the sky with your right arm. Exhale, release your right arm, release your left arm, and then we're gonna pivot all the way back to the front of the mat. Good, from here, gentle step forward, deep yogi squat. If you have a block, feel free to sit on it, so I'm gonna demonstrate that for you. Tailbone down, place your triceps to your inner thighs, lift your chest forward and breathe in. Inhale, raise your arms high to the sky as you open your heart, take your arms back and around. Exhale, release them down to the mat. Standing forward, fold on your exhale. Good, step back when you're ready to downward facing dog, push back. Step your left foot outside of your left hand. If you have your block there, you can go ahead and get it out of the way. And then inhale on your fingertips, pull your heart forward. Exhale, left hand to left thigh. Inhale, right arm up to the sky, lean back. Exhale, right hand to your mat. Then your left, pivot to the back of your mat. Hands to the inside of the right foot, lower the knee. Inhale, use your fingertips, pull your chest forward. Right hand to right thigh, inhale, left arm up, open up. Exhale, release, both hands down. Again, pivot back to center, and then just pause here this time, and then I just want you to move from side to side, just kind of getting into your hips. And then noticing the heat that you're starting to build in each hip, the front and the back. Go ahead and hold it to your back foot. Maybe the opposite heel lifts up, hold here. And then back to your front foot, hold it there. And then we're gonna spin all the way forward on our next breath. Exhale, high plank, top of a push-up. Lower your knees. Inhale, come back to your cow. Exhale to your cat. Inhale, come back to your cow. Exhale to your cat again. Use your fingertips, lift up. And then very, very slowly sit on your heels. Inhale your arms up to the sky. Exhale, interlace your hands behind you. Inhale, lift your chest as you back bend. Peel your heart up and stay here for 3. Try to find a gentle breath. Maybe place your knuckles into your feet. 2. And then exhale, slowly release your hands forward on 1. Roll your shoulders down your back. Exhale, slowly melt down onto your bellies. From there, I want you to take your fingertips off of the mat for me. Take your feet wide and then inhale, raise your heart. Exhale, bend your knees as your toes touch, and then think about your head and toes meeting. Just think about it. Take a full inhale as you breathe in. Exhale, melt heart and legs. One more time, inhale, heart up. Exhale, bend. Toes together, lift your chest. 3, 2, keep the knees bent as you stack your forearms. Lay one ear down and then just rock your quads left to right. Finding that nice gentle movement. You should feel some warmth in the front and back of your body. Exhale, release the top of your feet down for me. Single arms, you're gonna take your right hand, reach over top of your foot. If you cannot do that, you can use your strap and loop it, or you can just reach with your hand and foot, even if they never connect. Now hug your inner thighs back together. I'm gonna move my block out of the way as I extend my left arm forward. From there, I'm gonna slide my hand to the inside of my foot so my shoulder is opening. And then I'm gonna kick and lift opposite leg up. Hold that for 3. Heart opening 2. And then exhale, release one hand and then the other. From there, take a breath in and a breath out. Let's do the second side. So bring the hips together, bend the knee, reach back, grab the outside of the foot first for balance, and then rotate the hand to the inside so my thumb is right behind my big toe. My shoulder is externally rotated, and then I'm gonna inhale, reach, lift the opposite leg, and then kick to lift here. 3, lift your chest, 2, and then release and release on 1. From there, lay the opposite ear down and then rock side to side. Take your time, release your legs, inhale, that kind of that awkward seal pose. Open up your chest. Exhale, if you can, walk it closer in. And then if you can, even closer in until your pelvis is fully down and your heart is lifting all the way up. My feet are wide. Exhale, slowly, slowly. We're gonna bring our knees together this time. And then drape our tummy over our legs and slide our hands back. You should feel some heat in the back body from the back bending, which opens the heart. So take a breath in and a breath out. Again, take a breath in and a breath out. From this position, slowly bring the heart up as we find deep yogi squat again. So step one foot out and then the other. And then plug the elbows back into the knees, lift the chest forward. Good, big full breath in. And then exhale, slowly bring your tailbone down. Bring your hands around behind you, rotate them, press into your feet, and then inhale, raise your heart up. Exhale, drop the head back. Take your time and come down, and then try to do it with your wrists flipped. So flip your wrist forward, fingers face your tail. Inhale, pelvis up, heart up. Exhale, chin tucks and down. Moving into hip opening, inhale, lift the chest. Exhale for bound angle, my feet are touching, and then fold forward. Place your hands on your feet, place your elbows to your knees, and then press down as you open up your hips. Inhale, slowly come up, lift the heart forward. Exhale, bring the knees together, and give yourself a big hug, rounding the spine. We're gonna flow through that one more time. Place your hands behind you, fingers face away first. Inhale, reverse tabletop. Exhale, tailbone down. Reverse tabletop with flipped hands. Inhale up, heart up, open up. Exhale down. From there, bring the feet together. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, elbows in, and then fold forward. So constantly challenging these different aspects of the spine. Inhale, raise your heart forward and up. Exhale, bring the knees together. Give yourself a big hug and then collapse over the legs. Hold it there for 3, 2, and then slowly lay down on your backs on 1. So as we come down nice and slow, allow your low back to flatten. And then very, very gently cross the right ankle over the left thigh, press it away from you. Hug the leg into the body, so hamstring on the left side and rock side. And then breath out. And then slowly release the leg down. Uncross, and then second side. So cross the left foot over, left hand on the leg, open up your hip. And then on your next, pick up bottom foot, hug it. Left and right. Release your bottom foot down, release both feet down. Inhale, bridge pose, elevate the hips up to the sky, press the back of the head down, lift your pelvis, and then slowly, slowly lower. One more time, raise your hips up to the sky, lift your pelvis as high as you can, and then slowly, slowly lower. Let the palms step up to roll the shoulders down your back to lift your chest. Exhale, knees kiss as the feet. Place your right hand on your heart and your left hand on your pelvis. So your heartbeat is a little faster from the heart opening, but also to kind of move and feel welcome. And you also might feel a sense of emotional coming from the body. And then the hand to the belly, so the hips and the pelvis, you should feel some heat. You should feel the effort that you put into opening. Take a breath in together. And then side out your mouth, opening your mouth wide. From there, I want you to very gently open the knees, bring them towards your armpits. From there, roll your ankles around and come up to seated. Facing forward towards me, sitting up nice and tall. I want to take a gentle twist to the right and the left to release any tension in the back from some of the back bends. So inhale your arms up. Exhale, I'm going to mirror you. Twist to your right. Look over your shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist to your left. Look over the shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Reach up nice and high. Bring the hands right down through the heart. And thank yourself so much for opening your heart and your hips this morning. I'm happy you joined me on day 2, and I look forward to practicing together tomorrow on day 3. Have a wonderful rest of your day.